Hello and welcome to the Understudy. Today we are doing a little quiz. This is part 5, Harmonic Organization 1 from Barron's AP Music Theory 3rd edition. Each question will be asked, you will be given 5 seconds to think, and then the answer will be revealed with an explanation. So grab something to write down your answers and any notes that you want to make. If you need more time throughout, I encourage you to pause the video or go back to the question again. And if you have any questions, type them in the comments and I will see what I can do to explain them. Let's go! First question. The key of this excerpt is G major, G minor, E minor, or B minor. The correct answer is C. This excerpt is in E harmonic minor. The raised 7th scale degree, D sharp, is used consistently throughout. Question 2. Identify the chord and the inversion of chord 1. Is it A, B minor in root position, B, E minor in first inversion, C, E minor in second inversion, or D, G major in first inversion? The correct answer is C. Chord 1 is E minor in second inversion. The chord is E, G, B with a B in the bass. Question 3. What chord member is doubled in chord 1? A, the root is doubled, B, the third is doubled, C, the fifth is doubled, or D, no note is doubled. The correct answer is C. The fifth is doubled. The fifth, B, occurs in the bass and in the tenor. Question 4. What chord member does the alto sing in chord 3? A, the third of an E minor triad, B, the fifth of an E minor triad, C, the root of a B major triad, or D, the root of a B major 7th chord. The correct answer is B. The alto sings the fifth of an E minor chord, meaning B or so. Question 5. All of the following are true of chord 2 except A, it is a B major triad with an added 7th in the tenor after the beat. B, it has so in the bass. C, D sharp is the third of the chord and leading tone in E harmonic minor. Or D, it contains an interval of a perfect fourth against the bass. Correct answer is D. Chord 2 does not contain an interval of a perfect fourth against the bass. Question 6. Chord 4 would be identified as an E minor chord. A, in root position, B, in first inversion, C, in second inversion, or D, with an added 7th. The correct answer is A. Chord 4 is an E minor chord in root position. Question 7. Chord 5 would be identified as a B major, A, 7th chord, B, triad in root position, C, chord in first inversion, or D, chord in second inversion. The correct answer is B. Chord 5 is a B major triad in root position. Question 8 to 16 are based on string parts from this Concerto Grosso by Corelli. We have seen this example before, however, this time we will look at interval, chords, and inversions. Question 8. The key of this excerpt is B flat major, G minor, G major, or D minor. The correct answer is B, G minor. Question 9. The F sharp in this example would be identified as the A, supertonic, B, subtonic, C, leading tone, or D, mediant. The correct answer is C, the leading tone. In G harmonic minor, the raised 7th scale degree leading tone is F sharp. Question 10. The chord on the downbeat of measure 2 is A, an A major chord in root position, B, an A minor chord in root position, C, a D major chord in second inversion, or D, an F sharp diminished chord in first inversion. The correct answer is D, an F sharp diminished chord in first inversion. The chord is F sharp, A, C, and the A, the third of the chord, is in the bass. Question 11. The interval between the notes in first and second violin of this chord, measure 2, beat 1, is A, perfect fourth, B, perfect fifth, C, diminished fifth, or D, augmented fourth. The correct answer is C. The interval between F sharp and C is a diminished fifth. Question 12. The interval between the cello and the viola in the same chord is a compound interval. This interval reduces to A, major second, B, major third, C, minor third, or D, perfect fourth. The correct answer is C. The reduced interval is a minor third. The bass is an A and the viola is playing C. The compound interval is a minor tenth. Question 13. The chord at the fermata is A, D major triad, B, D major triad with an added seventh, C, G major triad, or D, G minor triad. The correct answer is A, D major triad. Question 14. The viola plays what chord member in the chord at the fermata? A, the root of the chord, B, the third of the chord, C, the fifth of the chord, or D, the seventh of the chord. The correct answer is C. The viola is playing A, the fifth of the chord. Question 15. What position is the chord at the fermata? Is it A, root position, B, first inversion, C, second inversion, or D, third inversion? The correct answer is A. It is a root position triad, meaning the root of the chord. D is in the bass. Question 16. The chord immediately preceding the fermata is identified as A, E flat major in root position, B, E flat minor in root position, C, C minor in the first inversion, or D, A minor in the first inversion. The correct answer is C. The chord preceding the fermata is a C minor triad in first inversion. The chord is C, E flat, G, and E flat is in the bass. Question 17. Which of the following is not a minor sixth interval? Correct answer is C. A to F sharp is a major sixth. Question 18. All of the following are true of this chord except A, it's a major chord with an added minor seventh, B, it is in first inversion, C, the root of the chord is E, D, the fifth of the chord is G. The correct answer is C. The example chord is a major triad with a minor seventh. The chord is C, E, G, B flat, with the E in the bass making it a first inversion seventh chord. The root of the chord is C, not E. Question 19. All of the following intervals are enharmonic equivalents except A. Major second and diminished third, B. Major seventh and minor second, C. Diminished fifth and augmented fourth, or D. Minor sixth and augmented fifth. The correct answer is B. A major seventh inverts to a minor second, but it is not an enharmonic equivalent. The examples that are enharmonic equivalents are major second and diminished third. F to G is the same as F to A double flattened. Diminished fifth and augmented fourth, meaning F sharp to C is the same as G flat to C. Minor sixth and augmented fifth, which means that F to D flat is the same as F to C sharp. Question 20. The difference between a half diminished seventh chord and a fully diminished seventh chord is the A. Quality of the triad, B. Third is lower in half diminished, C. Fifth is lower in fully diminished, or D. Quality of the seventh. Correct answer is D. The difference is the seventh. The half diminished and fully diminished seventh chords have the same quality triad, diminished, but the half diminished has a minor seventh, and the fully diminished seventh chord has a diminished seventh. Therefore, in the fully diminished seventh chord, the seventh is a half step lower. Great work! So tell me how you did in the comment section, and if you have any questions, I'll do my best to answer them. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next quiz video, or if you will go on to one of the exercises, whatever they call the videos that I do all the explaining and reading all of the books. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.